Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily run clickbank affiliate offers through your Facebook ads account without risking your account from getting shut down by Facebook. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I've noticed that a lot of people are getting their Facebook ads account shut down, and the reason why that's happening is because they're not properly running their affiliate offers. And when they do run affiliate offers, they risk their Facebook accounts, and Facebook is shutting them down. So before I jump into the proper way to do this, I'm gonna show you what a lot of people are doing and the reason why their accounts are getting shut down. So first of all, let's start with Facebook not liking affiliate offers being promoted on their platform. So Facebook doesn't like affiliate offers, and when they don't like something, they find a way to get rid of it. So here's what a lot of people are doing nowadays. They create a Facebook ad, but from the Facebook ad, they run traffic directly to the offer. So I have even seen some Facebook ads with their affiliate links on them, like directly. They don't mask them or anything. It's just like the affiliate link from ClickBank. And when you do this, guys, you are risking your account big time. So I don't recommend you to do it that way. If you want to continue to promote affiliate offers on Facebook, that is the wrong way to do it. So make sure to not run your traffic directly to the offer and expect to make money that way, because it's probably not gonna happen. Now, the proper way to do it is to do it like this, and this is how I've been doing it after I learned from getting my account shut down by Facebook, and I've been doing this for a few years now, and I have not had any problems. So what you want to do is that you want to create your Facebook ad, and then from your Facebook ad, run your traffic to a landing page that you create. This is a website that you own. The reason why you want to do this is because you want to collect your visitors' emails. So a good idea, a good thing to do here is to create a gift. So let's say that you're promoting weight loss products, right? And your audience is people that are trying to lose weight. So a cool thing to do here will be to give them a freebie. People like free stuff. So to create like a report, maybe a report on the top 10 foods to avoid to lose weight fast, or the top 10 fruits that will help you to lose weight. I don't know, something. Be creative when it comes to this, but make sure that it adds value to the visitor. Make sure that it is something that someone will want to trade their email address for. So you create the report, and you create this landing page, and in the landing page you put a form where you can collect their email addresses. And I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you, I actually created one for the purpose of this video, so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So from your landing page, once the visitor gives you their email, you can then redirect them directly from there to the offer. Now, the reason why this doesn't risk your Facebook ads account is because your landing page here is the middleman. Facebook is like a curtain. Facebook is not allowed to see, or they won't be able to see what's behind that curtain. So as long as this here is legit, as long as this here is not anything spammy or promising things that are unreachable, Facebook wouldn't have a problem with it. So when you send the traffic to your landing page, you collect their emails. Of course, you're gonna have to have this landing page attached to an autoresponder. And if you don't know how to do this, in future videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I will be showing you step by step how to do this. And it's very easy. You don't have to be very techy to do it. There's a lot of software that allows you to easily do this nowadays, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you in future videos, but for this video I want you to understand that you need to send your traffic to your landing page, and the landing page will automatically be linked to an autoresponder. So when the traffic comes here, they type in their email address, they go to the offer, and some of them buy, most of them won't buy. But the cool thing is that you now have their email, and you can continue to promote to them. So what I like to do here, once they give me their email, I immediately send them another email to that new email account that they just gave me. So I sent an email welcoming them into my list, and in that email I I attach the report that I promised them on this landing page here. So from there, you can set up the autoresponder to send an email sequence to them for the following days. So what I like to do here is that I like to send another email the next day, adding some value to their life. So again, if they went into your landing page expecting to learn how to lose weight, this could be an email relating on a way to help them to achieve that goal. So it could be an email to a cool YouTube video that you find might be helpful to them, or sharing some type of information that you learn through your research that can help them. And then on day 2, you will need to send them another email. And again, guys, these emails, make sure to add value. That's the word here, value to your subscriber. Because when you add value to people will then want to help you back. If you help someone, they're gonna want to help you back, and they will then be more willing to purchase from you because they will trust you. If what you give them here actually helps them and makes their life a little bit better, they will be more willing to purchase from you when you recommend something to them. So the sequence here that I do is I send them my welcome email, and then on day 1 I sent them another email. Now we're not selling anything here. You can link to different parts of the internet, like a video or a cool blog post that you found, but we're not selling anything here. Day 2, not selling anything. Again, it's only to create trust and to add value. Now on email number 4 or number 3, it is up to you which one you wanna set up like this. But on email number 4, that's when I promote the offer again. So that's when I tell them, hey, here's the offer again. You might want to check it out once more, or maybe send them another offer that's related to what they signed up for in the first place. And you can then continue to do this. You can then keep on sending them more emails, and eventually, a lot of these customers that didn't buy on the first time here, once they were directed to the offer, a lot of them will eventually end up buying as they go through this process here, as they go through this sequence here. So that is why you should always be collecting emails. You should always be collecting emails, because you can then remarket to those visitors, and eventually most of those will end up buying whatever you sell. Let's see here. So I hope you understand this little sequence here and put it into practice, because this will help you a lot. And the cool thing is that you will be creating a long-term business by adding value to people and by creating relationships, and that's the best thing here. Now let me show you now how this works in real life. So let's go here to ClickBank. Let's go to ClickBank and let's choose an offer. Let's go to clickbank.com. And for this video here, I already was doing a little research on this one here. So it's the numerologist.com. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, so this is how the landing page looks for numerologist. And the cool thing about this offer is that I believe, because I've done some research on it, that it could actually help people. Now that's one thing that you need to keep in mind whenever you're promoting affiliate offers. Make sure that they actually help people. Don't just do it for the money, because we actually want to create a brand here, a brand that will allow us to continue to make money for a long term. Now we're not looking for short term money here. So the landing page looks nice. It looks pretty clean. It seems like a customer might be able to trust this. So now we check the landing page. Let's get the link for this. So let's go here to promote. Let's type here my ClickBank nickname. Okay, so I copied my ClickBank nickname, and now remember this landing page looks like this, right? So for the purpose of this video, I've created a landing page that looks similar to this, but it's hosted on my personal domain. So I bought this domain and I created a landing page that looks like this. So the way that this will work is that from my Facebook ad, I will send the traffic to this landing page. And in this case, I didn't create a report because the report that I'm offering is already free. So the cool thing about this offer is that it's something already being given to them for free. So you don't have to create another lead magnet to give to your visitors. So I just created this landing page here that with a few headlines. Here, the first one says, "This numerology reading will shock you." So I'm trying to create the curiosity within the visitor. Get your free personalized numerology reading today and find out what the universe has in store for you. So again, here I'm trying to create curiosity. I want them to continue to ask themselves, okay, what is this about? How can this help me? What has the universe prepared for me, for my future? This information is helping thousands of people to create a brighter future. So everyone wants a brighter future. So the reason why I put this little subheading here is because I want them to think, hey, if this is already helping a lot of people to create a brighter future, and I want a brighter future, it can also help me. So here I can collect their email address. They can just type their email address here. A cool thing that you want to put here maybe is something like type your email below and get a free personalized numerologist reading, or as the website here has a report, maybe you want to change this to report, a numeral instead of reading. So get a free personalized numerology report. Same here, you can change this to report. It is up to you as long as you adjust it to the offer that you're trying to promote. So once the visitor lands on this landing page here, they can then type their email. I'm just gonna type something here, and send me the report. Let's see if it worked. Okay, so it seems like it didn't work. Oh yeah, there we go. So there we go. The email was collected, and the visitor was automatically routed to their numerologist report. So here they can type in their name, their date of birth, and they can start with the report. And it's a pretty cool one. If you haven't done it yet, I recommend you to do it. It's actually pretty cool. And it actually got a lot of cool things right about me. So if you want to try it out. But anyways, so that is how you do this, guys. It's very easy. And another cool trick that I'm going to show you here is that whenever you send a visitor to your landing page here, you get the option to place your Facebook pixel here. Now, this is a little bit more advanced. And again, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will be creating a lot of videos where I teach you step by step on how to do this stuff. So you can put again, you can place your pixel here, which then will allow you to continue to follow those people all over the internet, promoting your product, promoting the offer that they tried to sign up for, or that they signed up for but didn't buy. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a later video, but for now, all I want you to understand is that if you're going to be promoting your ClickBank affiliate offers on Facebook, avoid doing it this way at all costs, because this will cost you a lot. So make sure to never send the traffic directly to your offer. Instead, do this. And if you think it's a little complicated, go back to watch this video again, because this is information that you will need to know if you want to create an affiliate marketing business long term. So guys, I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below and I will make sure to answer them. And I hope that you are able to generate some sales using this strategy here and grow your affiliate marketing business. So thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to give it a like, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.